As environmental pollution is becoming more serious worldwide, rules and regulations for preventing marine pollution are being strengthened. HHI scrubber hybrid system is now emerging as one of the most cost-efficient and eco-friendly alternatives for responding to regulations for marine SOx emission. HHI scrubber open loop system. Firstly, seawater is supplied by the seawater supply pump and the booster pump to wash the scrubber unit, including the demister. After washing process, seawater is supplied to the quenching spray for cool down and SOx removal. And exhaust gas flows into the scrubber by operation of the bypass and uptake dampers. Natural alkalinity of seawater is utilized for SOx cleaning. Quality of exhaust gas and effluent water are monitored to comply with regulations. HHI scrubber hybrid system can be switched from the open loop system to the closed loop in case of local restriction of effluent water discharge, change in alkalinity of wash water, etc. HHI scrubber closed loop system. The process tank is filled with wash water by the makeup water pump. Then the water is continuously recirculated in closed-loop system, such as the process tank, heat exchanger, and scrubber by the circulation pump. The seawater from seawater supply pump is used to cool down wash water. The alkalinity level of wash water is controlled by the supply of caustic soda. The water monitoring system monitors and records the quality of wash water. Cleaned effluent water is held in the holding tank and discharged out of non-discharge area after the water monitoring system. Sludge is collected in the sludge tank and later discharged at port. When the stop process begins, exhaust gas will bypass the scrubber by operation of the bypass and uptake dampers. The scrubber stops after the cleaning process of scrubber inside. The open loop system uses seawater with natural alkalinity as wash water for the desulfurization process. The closed loop system removes SOx without discharging effluent water overboard by using caustic soda and water treatment system. HHI scrubber hybrid system offers flexibility of the selective operational mode depending on the situation of ships operating routes. HHI scrubber. Hyundai Heavy Industries Power System.